Hi there, beautiful souls. Welcome to this guided meditation journey where we will erase, transmute, and let go of any negative self talk, guilt, shame, or resentments you may be holding on to. We are all human and we all make mistakes. We all have sides to us that we do not feel so great about and that we often deny and hide from the public eye. These energies are like anchors. The more you hold on to them, the heavier they get and the harder it becomes to move forward. This video can serve as a tool to help you make peace with those parts of your psyche in order to reclaim your power and allow fresh new perspective and energies to float your way. First, I want you to find a comfortable position in a calm room where you won't be disturbed. Just for a moment, let go of all the chatter and sit quietly. Close your eyes and let your mind slow down. Start relaxing your muscles. Forget about all the external noises and potential distractions. There is only you now and the sound of my voice. Begin by doing a mental scan of your body, from your head to your toes. Make yourself aware of any pain, any stress, any tension. Acknowledge these sensations. Relax your muscles and let yourself drop even deeper in total peace, calm, and relaxation. Keep your eyes closed and let's take a walk together, you and me. I want you to guide me to your happy place, the place where you feel the safest. This could be a real place that you visited, a city, a house, a lake. Or it could be a place where you've never been, but that you always wanted to go. A castle, the moon, a mountain, or even a remote island. Where are you? Visualize this place. Begin paying attention to even the smallest details that you can notice. Turn your awareness to the ground beneath you now, firm, strong. Take a seat and close your mind's eyes again. Allow yourself to sink even deeper into a state of relaxation and complete surrender. I invite you to shift your attention on your breathing now. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold that air in your body for a while and breathe out. Take another deep inhale through your nose. Feel the air filling your lungs, your belly, and exhale through your mouth. Good. Continue to take deep, full breaths through your nose and out through your mouth. With each exhale, imagine you are releasing any negative thoughts that may be lingering around. If your mind wanders at any point, know that it's okay. It's the nature of the mind to wander. Simply bring your attention back to your breathing. It is time now to release any worries, any disturbing thoughts, any sadness you may be feeling. Let those feelings float up, out and away with your breath, floating far, far, far away from you. Whatever has happened today that has bothered you, it is time to let that go. Whatever has happened this week that has bothered you, it is time to let that go. Whatever has happened this month, this year, this lifetime that has made you ashamed, sad, anxious, or guilty, it is time to let it go. It served its purpose, and you say thank you to that feeling, but it is no longer serving you. So you simply let it go. Your mistakes do not define you. Your lack of knowledge doesn't define you. Your lack of boundaries doesn't define you. Make peace with the amazing person that you truly are inside, and all the versions of you that make you yourself. Allow a sensation of warmth to fill you from head to toe. Let this feeling envelop you and run through your chest and torso, your belly, your thighs, your feet, all the way to your toes. Know, here and now, that this feeling of deep love and gratitude is always available for you when you need it. Take another deep breath in. Allow good feelings to fill up your heart and your mind. Peacefulness and calm are all around you. When you are ready, you can open your eyes and stretch. Welcome back. If you enjoyed this guided meditation, consider subscribing to my channel, following me on Instagram, or even booking my services. All the links are in the description box down below. On this note, I thank you for watching this video, and I wish you a very blessed day. Bye bye.